Yeah, you hang over there. Ayan o. Nagsasampay kami dito sa loob kasi uulan. Mukhang uulan. So, dito kami magsasampay at i-use yung dryer. Yung alaga ko yan tumutulong sa akin. Ayan. Tumutulong yung alaga ko. Very good. Mabait na bata. Hopefully, hanggang sa pagtanda mo, madala mo yan. Ang pagiging masipag at responsible. Yung mga amo ko guys, gustong gusto nilang ganyan na tinuturuan yung alaga ko na maging independent. Yan. Very good, Nokian. That's right. You can find the more space, then you put it in the there's a space over the other side, then you hang the clothes there. Yeah, that's right. Good job, Nokian. That's good. You have to learn, okay? So that even when you grow up, you know already.
This one also.
Yeah, that one also, you put it in there. You hang it. Thank you.